Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by sin x over sin x. Next, we have the formula that is about coshx squared minus sin x squared equals to number 1. So because we have this one, so I will put this one go to the right, number 1 go to the left. Next, we put the square root for the both sides and we have like this. So this one that is about this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to coshx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides and we have du equals to sin x dx. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. Sin x dx we change for du. Now we can put about I on numerator and denominator. So we know that I will go inside the square root and we have I square. This is about the complex unit. So we have I equals to the square root of negative number 1. So if we put the power number 2 for the both sides, we have negative number 1. So this one we change the sign of this one and we have 1 minus u square. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides and we have negative sine t dt. So I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. Du that is about this one. So we have the formula in here. So we put cosine t square go to the right. And this one that is about sine t square. The square root of sine t square we have sine t. Sine t we simplify. Next, we have the formula in here. So t that is about number 2 multiplied by t over number 2. So we have cosine 2a, and we know that capital A that is about t over number 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to t over number 2. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to put this one go to the left. This one that is about z dt that is about this one. So the integration of this one in here that is about elliptical integral. So I will put about e z of number 2, and I will put about c about z that is about t over number 2. About t that is about this one. So you got about t equals to a cosine of u. So I will put this one to change for t. About u that is about coshx. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is the full answer of the question in here.